Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, Vlogtober the 9th. It is a pretty gloomy day today here in my little city. And I've got quite a few appointments today, so I had to skip my exercises and get ready to come to my appointments this morning. So I'm already at my first destination. I've got my coffee, thanks to my hubby. So I'm feeling pretty good this morning, feeling pretty good, despite the fact that I didn't get to do my morning walk. But okay, come along with me today, guys, and see what my Friday today is going to be all about. All right, let's go. Let's get it started. All right, everybody. So I am done with my appointments. I've stopped here before going home at the beauty supply store. I need to get a couple of things for mine and Angelina's hair and my mom's hair. So yeah, I'm going to run inside and get some of the things that we need so that we can continue to be beautiful. All right. So I have made it back in, and Angelina is upstairs finishing her online classes. I'm wanting some more coffee. That coffee that my husband made me this morning was so delicious, but of course I had to go into my appointment, so the rest of it had to sit out in the car and it got cold. So I'm gonna make me some more coffee, and I'm gonna enjoy that as I continue working on my t-shirts and wait for Angelina to get out of class, and then we're gonna wash her hair and get it ready for her sister to twist. I'm so excited today. My oldest daughter is coming home for the weekend, and so she's gonna be twisting Angelina's hair, and we get to spend a little bit of time with her. I'm always excited to have my babies with me. So yeah, that's what I'm going to spend my afternoon doing, and then a little bit later we're gonna spend some time with Autumn because she's on her way down right now. Yay! I've sweetened my coffee with Land O'Lakes half and half and monk fruit sweetener. Now it is dinner time, guys. It is 5:26 and I am hungry. My husband and daughter are going to be eating leftovers. It's time to make sure we finish those off. Of course, I can't have any of those leftovers, so I'm going to stick a keto pizza in the air fryer, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make that. I bought this Italian sausage here, and I need to go ahead and freeze it because I've had it in my refrigerator for a little over a week. So I'm gonna probably use a little less than half of one of these to go on my pizza, in addition to some pepperoni, and the rest of this I'm gonna freeze to make sure it keeps. All right, guys, so let me show you how I'm gonna make my air fryer pizza bowl. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is remove the sausage from the casing. Wait, is this in casing? Yeah. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cook this entire sausage. The rest I'm gonna go on and freeze, and I can just use that for another dish at another time. All right, the Italian sausage is ready. Let's put our keto pizza bowl together. I'm gonna be using this marinara sauce. It was the best that I could find. One serving size is 1/2 cup, and it is 4 net carbs per serving. So I'm gonna be using less than 1/2 cup. So hopefully this won't knock me out of ketosis at all. I've watched my carbs for today. I've done really, really good. So this should be just fine. But I am gonna measure it out to be on the safe side. Now I'm going to add my Italian sausage. And of course, we're going to top it with some pepperonis. Look at these pepperonis. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in my air fryer. Just like that. Turn it on. I'm going to set it for 400 degrees. No, I'm going to set it for 8 minutes. All right, and we'll let that go. All right, guys, it has been 5 minutes in. Ooh, look at that. Oh, my. I would say that this is ready. It's already time to eat, y'all. All right, guys, nice, quick, easy, delicious. It's time to dig in. All right, guys, here is my air fryer keto pizza bowl. I'm gonna give it a taste on camera real quick, and then I'm gonna sit down and eat because this looks amazing. You know, I thought about it later on. What would have been really good on here is onions, maybe a little bell pepper, but I'm gonna put that on there the next time. For now, this is good enough. I got my mushrooms, I have my pepperoni. Look at that. Make sure I get a piece of sausage in there. And it's really hot, so y'all bear with me. I don't want to burn the roof of my mouth, okay? I have no words. No words! Guys, for this to be as quick and easy as it was, and turn out this fabulous. I'm a happy lady. The next time I'm definitely gonna put onions on this. It would definitely set it off. The Italian sausage is delicious. The mushrooms are juicy. And the pepperoni, well, who doesn't like pepperoni? So here's a nice, quick, and easy one for you. I know you guys have asked for more air fryer recipes. This is definitely one that you are going to enjoy. All right, I'm gonna go eat. Okay, everybody, I was finishing up my food, but my baby is here. So we're gonna go see my baby. They are. There he is, and there's Kingston. Is he excited? Hey, Kingston. Hey. You. Say hey, Grandma. Hey, Autumn. Autumn, can I have a hug from my daughter?
Oh, family love.
It was good. Good.
It was Kingston. Boring.
Whoa! Kingston is excited. He's such a playful little thing. Autumn, say hey. There's Kingston chilling over there. Taking a break from our twisting. So we're more than halfway there. A little bit more to go. So how long have you been twisting her hair?
Let me see. I think it's been an hour and 42 minutes.
Seems like it's been longer than an hour.
We've been here for ages.
Okay. So while Angelina's getting her hair done, I'm trying to get this really unattractive color off of my nails. I purchased this Magic Remover, and it's supposed to remove gel nail polish quickly. Well, it did make this easier. It comes off a lot easier, but it really damaged my nails, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna finish using it on this hand because I've got to get this color off, and yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be using this again. All right, it is 11 o'clock and we are almost done. All right, turn to the side a little bit, just slowly.
Done. Yeah, we're not almost done.
What?
We got probably about like 30, 40 minutes left.
Oh, I'm really tired. All right, but turn a little bit to the side. Oh yeah, look at that in the back. Still needs to be done.
Yep.
All right. Okay. Hey everybody. So Autumn didn't finish with Angelina's hair until really late last night. I mean, it was after 1 o'clock before we even got in bed. So I was so tired. I did not even get to close out my vlog. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and just get ready for today's vlog because I'm vlogging already for today. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.